Good day, everyone. We're here today to present our film analysis for the subject Purposive Communication. The movie we selected is Seven Sundays, a Filipino family drama that tells the story of four siblings who come together after learning that their father is seriously ill. Because of this situation, they are forced to spend time with one another, face their unresolved conflicts, and reconnect as a family. This film highlights realistic family experience such as misunderstanding, emotional distance, and unspoken feelings. It also shows how love and care are sometimes expressed not through words, but through actions, silence, and sacrifice. As the story develops, we can see how communication plays a big role in repairing broken relationships and strengthen family bonds. In our presentation, we will focus on the three types of communication and the three model of communication that are evident in the movie. This will help us understand how the characters delivers message, respond to each other, and handle conflicts in different situations. Through this film, we learn that clear, honest, and effective communication is essential, especially within the family where emotions are deeply involved. Thank you, and we hope you enjoy our presentation.
Jane, wag mo muna ipasok yung cake sa ref.
Huwag mo muna ilipot yung mga pagkain dito. Hindi pa nang tapos yung birthday ko eh. May darating pa.
Your father has a colon cancer.
Bakit nagkasakit ako? Bakit may colon cancer ako?
Hello, Cha. Nakita mo bang sinid ni tatay?
Hindi. Ano?
Oh, hello, Cha. Anong nangyari kay tatay?
A story about a family.
I'm dying.
Tay, ayaw mo na ba ng second option?
Tay, ayaw mo na ba talaga mag-buhay?
Ayaw ko maging labas-masok sa ospital.
Tay, nagtatampo ka ba nung hindi kami pumunta sa birthday mo?
Hindi naman. Pero ayaw ko maging pangit kapag nakita kami ng nanay niyo.
Ito na lang ka tayo.
Tama. Sinong gusto mag-second opinion ako? Sinong gusto pagbigyan ako?
Minsan ka lang, hindi ka confident. Buhay niya, dress niya.
Mata ka lang at akala mo na alam mo na ang lahat na kailangan mong malaman. Buhay ay di ganyan.
Oh, hello, Lowy.
Tanggapin mo na lang ang katotohanan na ikaw ay isang musmus lang na wala pang alam. Makinig ka na lang.
Yung anak ko na nakawan at kapangalan ng kapatid mo.
Sige, salamat. Halika nga dito. My boss just called. Yung anak niya, naloko mo daw.
Kuya, hindi ako nagnakaw. Naloko rin ako.
Ikaw nagtatago.
Eh, hinanap nila ako eh.
Malamang. What do you expect?
Eh, hindi ko naman alam na isabit na lang yung event eh.
Your ignorance make you stupid.
Malaman ng maaga ang wasto sa
Sige, magpatayan na lang kayo!
Batang bata ako, nalalaman ko to. Inaamin ko rin na kulang ang aking nalalaman. at nauunawaan. Ngunit kahit ganyan ang kinalalagyan, alam ko na may karapatan ang bawat nilalang. Kahit bata pa man, kahit bata pa man.